Hi friends, I am Kashish and welcome to my YouTube channel KG Shala. So in today's video there are 25 interesting GK questions on India. So let's get started. Question 1. India's first supercomputer. A. Param 8000, B. Param 800, C. Pratham 4, D. Param 80. So your time starts now. When in India Hindi Divas is celebrated? A. 14 September, B. 15 October, C. 16 November, D. 20 December. Question 3. Who was the first Indian woman to climb Mount Everest? A. Kiran Bedi, B. Indira Gandhi, C. Kalpana Chawla, D. Bachendri Pal. So your time starts now. Question 4. How many languages are spoken in India? A 22, B 23, C 24, D 25. So your time starts now. Question 5. Which is the largest state of India? A. Rajasthan, B. Gujarat, C. Punjab, D. Kerala. So your time starts now. Question 6. Which state of India has the longest coastline? A. Kerala, B. Gujarat, C. Sikkim, D. Goa. So your time starts now. Question 7. Which bank is called Bankers Bank of India? A. RBI, Reserve Bank of India, B. SBI, State Bank of India, C. PNB, Punjab National Bank, D. ICICI Bank. So your time starts now. Question 8. On which river the Uri Dam is constructed? A. Jhelum River, B. Satluj River, C. Ganga River, D. Yamuna River. So your time starts now. Question 9. Who was India's first Deputy Prime Minister? A. Murari Ji Desai, B. Vallabhbhai Patel, C. Kalpana Chawla, D. Riya Patel. Time starts now. Question 10. How many states and union territories are there in India? A. 28 states, 8 union territories, B. 29 states, 7 union territories, C. 30 states, 6 union territories, D. 31 states and 7 union territories. Friends, this question can be changed. Like earlier, the answer of this same question was option B. Was something different, and now it would be different, and in next 5-6 years it would be also differ from the correct answer. So there is no permanent answer for this. This question's answer keeps on changing according to our Indian Constitution. So your time starts now. Question 11. Who was India's first president? A. Dr. Rajendra Prasad. B. Indira Gandhi. C. Kalpana Chawla. D. Riya Patel. So your time starts now. Question 12. Which Indian state has a separate constitution? A. West Bengal. B. Jammu and Kashmir. C. Goa. D. Sikkim. Your time starts now. Question 13. The first president of Indian National Congress. A. W.C. Banerjee. B. Indira Gandhi. C. Jawaharlal Nehru. D. Rajiv Gandhi. So your time starts now. Question 14. The first Defence Minister of India. A. Kiran Bedi. B. Bhagat Singh. C. Sardar Baldev Singh. D. Mahatma Gandhi. So your time starts now. So first of all, you have to subscribe, like and share my channel if you can. Don't forget to like the video if you like it. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, press the bell icon and never miss any update. So next question. Who is the first women IPS in India? A. Kiran Bedi. B. Indira Gandhi. C. Kalpana Chawla. D. Riya Patel. So your time starts now. Question 16. Where is Ranthambore National Park situated? A. Rajasthan. B. Goa. C. Assam. D. Madhya Pradesh. So your time starts now. Question 17. Which district of India is having the maximum area and is in which state? A. Kutch, Gujarat. B. Thar, Rajasthan. C. Dispur, Assam. D. Gangtok, Sikkim. So your time starts now. Question 18. The Securities and Exchange Board of India SCBI is situated at A. Mumbai, Maharashtra. B. Jaipur, Rajasthan. C. Kolkata, West Bengal. D. Panaji, Goa. So your time starts now. Question 19. Who was the first woman and first Maharashtrian to become the President of India? So your options are A. P.V. Sidhu. B. Mithali Raj. C. Kalpana Chawla. D. Pratibha Patil. Question 20. Who has the authority to issue currency in India? A. RBI, Reserve Bank of India. B. PNB, Punjab National Bank. C. SBI, State Bank of India. D. ICICI Bank. So your time starts now. Question 21. Where is Bridreshwara temple situated? A. Odisha, B. Tamil Nadu, C. West Bengal, D. Arunachal Pradesh. So your time starts now. Question 22. Garo tribes are found in which state of India? A. Meghalaya, B. Madhya Pradesh, C. Andaman and Nicobar, D. Daman and Diu. So your time starts now. Question 23. Taj Mahal is located at which place? A. Bhopal, B. Shillong, C. Agra, D. Faridabad. So your time starts now. Question 24. General election in India hold after how many years? A. 5, B. 7, C. 9, D. 4. So your time starts now. Which year India celebrated its first Republic Day? A. 1950, B. 1951, C. 1952, D. 1953. Your time starts now. Please subscribe now, like, share this video, like, subscribe. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon and never miss any update. Don't forget to like the video. Like, subscribe. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.